Okay, the project is really simple. We're looking to build an app that communicates with our server. And what we want to do is we would like to build more like a kiosk for surveys for our customers. So one of the things we want to do is create a widget. And you can see on the Android system here, it's a widget. And it's just a big area, so it kind of looks like a kiosk. And you click take a survey. So one of the things we would like to do is to be able to change the IP address. So that's kind of critical for us. So this is the way it would work. You would open up the mobile app. You put an email and password that we've got on file. We use a software called Infusionsoft that has got a really great API. And then we would put an app ID in here to identify the specific survey. So really this is a survey ID. And then you'd click register with the app. It would then load, and it would pass a header image, which would be right here. It would pass the survey page from our server to the system. So what happened is then they could go into their widgets, and they could drag and drop a widget into their main page, and it would pass the header image to it. So it'd be a big widget, and it would just say take our survey or give us feedback. And then they click on that. When they click on it, it would automatically change the IP address. So I think the best way to change the IP address is simply to have an automatic off mode or on for airplane mode, and then turn it off. It takes maybe 5 seconds, and then it switches IPs. So we'll need to have an IP tracker so that we know it is switching IPs. So the idea is the customer comes, clicks on take a survey, the app changes the IP address, then opens the survey page URL, which it gets from our server, and then customer leaves a review or a feedback on our survey. So that's really it. So just looking for someone to help us put that together. Please give us the details of other apps that you've created that are more utility apps and complex. This job is open right away. So we're excited to be able to work with you. Again, please give us, because we know we'll get a lot of requests, the best apps that you've built, so we can see that you've got the ability to create this, and we're ready to start on this right away. And also make sure you tell us how long it'll take to actually create this app as well. So about how many hours or days altogether do you think it would take you to do it? So it's a very simple thing. We're just going to create a big old widget here for a Android tablet, and then they take our survey, and we simply want to change the IP address. So we will not be going off of Wi-Fi. We'll be going after a mobile connection. So this Android will be connected to a mobile cellular connection. So all right, so thanks so much, and look forward to working with you. Bye-bye.